Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, sorry something went wrong, for solutions please visit, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you close out Epic Games Launcher. So just open up your task manager and then look for Epic Games on here. Here it is, Epic Games Launcher, click End Task and then look for any other Epic Games instances. So here it is, Epic Web Helper is still on. You're going to go ahead and click End Task on it. You can also just search for Epic and check if there are any other processes. So there aren't. Now you're going to close Task Manager. You're going to open up Epic Games, but you're going to make sure that you run it as administrator. So you're going to right click on it and click Run as administrator. Click Yes on here and then run Epic Games that way. And now you're just going to go on to your library and you're going to try to play Hogwarts Legacy. And you'll see that your game will work correctly now and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.